this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a setup to my Honor Magic 7 Lite version of cellular phone. In my last video I have unboxing of this one, so if you want to check the video description and with the detailed review of this phone. So now I'm gonna do a setup with my Google account for the first time because this is an Android phone, very good looking phone though. So always the power button this side, some phone could be this side, but mostly they are here, Samsung, Apple, whatever you want here, and volume rocker button. So power button, you have to tap the power button and you have to wait till the phone boots up. It's an Android phone, so you see Magic OS, that is from Honor. Okay, now first thing first, you have to decide your language. You see here is starting with Catalan, that is Catalonian, Spanish. We have to check our language, that is English. I hit here. Welcome, get started. Set the region where you are. I'm at the moment in Spain, so I have to search where is. Decide the region where you are. I hit Spain. I hit continue. I agree term and condition. Insert a SIM. No SIM card. You can install with a SIM and without SIM as well. So I'm gonna inject a SIM and I will show you guys. We need a SIM injector tool. The phone comes with a SIM injector tool. Here we go. You see here this one in the pack. I'm using my one, the same. So at the bottom, in this case, put the pin inside and have to put a soft pressure. Here we go. It will come out. We take this off. Lovely. So this is one SIM from Spain. Put here. Have to match here the corner. Put inside. Perfect. The SIM card. Perfect. Also, I think you could have a eSIM option, but better to have a physical SIM tray always. Here we go. We put inside. Put a pressure. The network at the top is up here. That means SIM card is working. Here is a cross. But whatever, hit a continue button. Is done. Connect to a network. You can connect. Here is back. You see network, that SIM card is perfect. Okay, after that you have to hit continue button. Connect to a network, better connect with Wi-Fi always. Here, and you have to put the password. Wi-Fi is connected here at the corner, so everything looks good. I hit continue button. Checking for update, getting your phone ready. Copy apps and data. If you want to copy from another phone, you have to have Android phone. Also, you can do that with your iPhone if you are having any iPhone. So whatever, I don't want to copy anything from any phone. I want to use as a brand new. So here you see don't copy. I hit this button. Checking information. Again, checking information. Perfect. Now you have to put your Google account. If your Microsoft account maybe work, but better always Google account with Android phone. If you don't have account, you can create here. Also, you can set up your phone without any account. So if you click skip button, you can go, but always better put your account because later you can put application, you can download and install everything. You'll have full access. If you don't put account, you can't do many things. Okay. So I'm gonna put my Google account and password and I will be back. Okay, after putting your email address, it should appear at the top. You have to hit agree button here. Getting information, the phone is getting ready. Google services. Okay, you have to go down till here, then you see accept button, click this one. Don't backup, turn on backup. So I don't want to do backup. I hit don't backup. In your case, please put turn backup on. Then more down and agree term and condition of Google. I agree everything. Getting your phone ready. Agree quick lock. Set up manually, quick login. Continue. You can make an honored account ID. Don't allow. I don't want no account logging methods. Yeah. I want to go directly in this case. Team. Set up later. So I don't want to make any honor account. If you want, continue with that. Set up later. No thanks. No ID of honor. Hit later button. No thanks. Later location service, enable and continue software update, finish here, navigation, other thing. Wow, beautiful looking phone. It looks something as Samsung S20, S21, S23 version, S20 plus something as this beautiful looking phone, guys. Only the pixel, they are not as sharp as obviously the premium version of phone, but in this price is good. So this is the setup here. Here you can see videos, connect to my account. I hit camera, agree, next, try now while using. Not bad, guys. According to this price, everything is fine. Lovely. Wow. Not bad, guys. So this is the way, guys, you can set up your on a Magic7 Lite version of cellular phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.